guys, it's Adriana, and I am doing this really quick unboxing of my order from Paper Calling. I love her quality so much. She has a store on Etsy, and I ordered something from her last summer, and I was so happy with the quality that I had to order again. Well, this week is spring break, so I have nothing planned, and that's the way I'm going to leave it just for this week. But anyway, her paper quality is so great and thick, and just, I love it. I love writing on it. It's so smooth that I just had to share it, because you know, when you find something great, you just want to share with other like-minded people. I even ordered these dividers from her and a few other things. This planner, if you like it, and I gotta say, look at it, it lays really flat and awesome. It came from Amazon. I will also link it below, because I am so shocked for the few dollars that I paid for it of its quality. It's just amazing. I love it so much. Anyway, I'll link that below. So let's get started. Do we even call this unboxing when it's in an envelope? I mean, I guess so. Okay. So it's great because she always gives you this awesome little note. And look, she makes you feel so great, like you're the only one that matters for this order. And this is, I'm going to use it as a divider, but let me just show you this quality. It's like a nice shimmer. Look at that paper. So pretty. You have your order back here. And then what I love about this is that when you order inserts from her, she doesn't just start them in January. Of course, you can get that, but she offers so many variations of her inserts, all different styles. But what I like, I don't know why, but I start replanning in the summer. I guess it's because I'm a teacher, but check this out. So beautiful, so smooth. I mean, like, I wish you guys can feel this paper. It's amazing. So anyway, I hope this helped you. If you were looking for a simple layout like this, a weekly layout, my week has to begin on Monday and end on Sunday. Oh, well, end with a few notes, but Sunday's right there. I hope this video helped you. And if you do like more videos like this, why don't you also check out some other things or other videos of mine here where I kind of do like some functional planning and some ideas for teachers. Thanks for watching.